subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Motorola is reportedly gearing up to launch its new smartphone under Moto G8 lineup called Moto G8 Power Lite. And before the official launch, the Moto G8 Power Lite has leaked online by an Italian publisher TechSole Blog that reveals the renders of the upcoming phone along with the specifications. According to leaks, the Moto G8 Power Lite will support a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with a water drop notch for selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone features a vertically aligned triple camera setup with LED flash, and it will include a 16-megapixel main camera accompanied by 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens plus 2-megapixel depth sensor. Under the hood, the device will come powered by MediaTek's Helio P35 chipset paired with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. The handset will pack with 5000 mAh battery that will support 10 watts charging. On the software front, the smartphone will most likely run on Android 10 out of the box. Additionally, the phone is seen to support an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. Now, talking about the pricing. Recently, the Moto G8 Power Lite has been spotted on Italian Amazon website that shows the pricing detail of the upcoming phone at €189.99. So, as of now, that's all we know about the Moto G8 Power Lite, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.